Question 1. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, S. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 2. The book Train to Pakistan was written by Khushwant Singh, R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, Bikram Seth. Correct answer is option A. Khushwant Singh. Question 3. Who wrote the famous book God of Small Things? Anita Desai, Arundhati Roy, Shashi Deshpande, Jhumpa Lahiri. Correct answer is option B. Arundhati Roy. Question 4. The book Midnight Children is authored by Salman Rushdie, Kiran Desai, Bikram Chandra, Ruskin Bond. Correct answer is option A. Salman Rushdie. Question 5. Who wrote the book Gitanjali, which won the Nobel Prize? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, Michael Madhusudan Dutt. Correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 6. The novel Malgudi Days was written by R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond, Khushwant Singh, Mulk Raj Anand. Correct answer is option A. R.K. Narayan. Question 7. Who is the author of the book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India? Romila Thapar, Shashi Tharoor, Ramchandra Guh, Bipin Chandra. Correct answer is option B. Shashi Tharoor. Question 8. The book A Suitable Boy was written by Bikram Seth, Amitav Ghosh, Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy. Correct answer is option A. Bikram Seth. Question 9. Who wrote the book India After Gandhi? Ramchandra Guh, Shashi Tharoor, Bipin Chandra, Amartya Sen. Correct answer is option A. Ramchandra Guh. Question 10. The book The White Tiger, which won the Man Booker Prize, was authored by Aravind Adiga, Amitav Ghosh, Kiran Desai, Jhumpa Lahiri. Correct answer is option A. Aravind Adiga.